I have Lenovo Tab 4.8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your camera, then tap here to access its settings, and here you can find countdown timer. You can set it on 3, on 5, or on 10 seconds. So let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.